Next, you see the statistical analysis of LST. Okay, so to analyze the LST design, first you want to form a model. Okay, so this model is called fixed effort. Okay, this model is fixed effort linear model. Okay, so in the LST we will have three factors. Okay, there is row factor, okay, and column factor and treatment factor. Okay, so we are having alpha I and beta j and tk. Okay, okay, so in this yij means the response from the experimental unit in the ith row, jth column receiving the kth treatment. Okay, so here the row means the one variation, okay, and column means another variation, okay, and treatment means treatment. Okay, so in this we are eliminating two variation. Okay, so we will have rows and columns. Okay, so mu means the overall mean effect. Okay, and alpha means the ith row effect, and beta j means the jth column effect, and tk means the kth treatment effect. Okay, and error. Okay, error follows the normal distribution with mean 0 and variance sigma square. Okay, so this is the model. Okay, linear model for analyzing the LSD design. Okay, next to illustration. Okay, for example, I'm having 4 treatments. Okay, so 4 treatment means we will have 4 rows, okay, and 4 columns, okay, and 4 replications. Okay, here the total number of units will be the total number of units will be 16 units. Okay, the first step is you want to find the column total. First step is you want to find the row total. Okay, wait a minute. See, first step is you want to find the the first step is you want to find the column total. Okay, sir, wait a minute. See, the first step is you want to find the row total. Okay, that is T4 plus T2 plus T3 plus T1. Okay, so that will give y1 dot dot. Okay, so here we will have 3 dots. Okay, because we are having 3 factors. Okay, so the first step is you want to find the row total, that is T4 plus T2 plus T3 plus T1. Okay, that will give y1 dot dot. Okay, and y2 dot dot means second row total. Okay, and y3 dot dot means third column third row total, and okay, and y4 dot dot means the fourth row total. Okay, next step is you want to find the column total. Okay, that is the first column total is T4 plus T3 plus T1 plus T2. Okay, so this will give us y dot 1 dot. Okay, okay, and similarly the y dot 2 dot means you want to find the second column total, and similarly the y dot 3 dot means okay, third column total, like this. Okay, and third step is you want to find treatment total. Okay, the treatment total is y dot dot 1. Okay, that is T1. Okay, so you want to sum all the T1 values. Okay, so the first step is you want to find the row total. Okay, second step is you want to find the column total, and third step is you want to find the treatment total. Okay, and fourth step is you want to find the grand total, that is y dot dot dot. Okay, so grand total divided by m square. Okay, m means the number of rows or column or treatment. Okay, so in this case we will have 4. Okay, so for grand mean the formula is y dot 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 divided by m square. Okay, so in the step 1 you want to formulate the hypothesis. Okay, so in this we will have three hypotheses. Okay, the first one is row effect, okay, and column effect and treatment effect. Okay, second step is you want to have correction factor. Okay, that is grand total whole square divided by n. Okay, and third step is you want to find total sum of square. Okay, the formula is like this. Okay, fourth step is you want to find the row sum of square. Okay, fifth step is you want to find the column sum of square. Okay, fifth step is you want to find the treatment sum of square. Okay, seventh step is you want to find the error sum of square. The formula is total sum of square minus row sum of square plus column sum of square plus treatment sum of square. Okay, eighth step is you want to form the ANOVA table. Okay, so in the ANOVA table we will have four variation. Okay, the first variation is row variation and column variation and treatment variation and error variation. Okay, this is three-way ANOVA. Okay, this is three-way ANOVA because we will have three factors. Okay, the first factor is row factor and column factor. Okay, and treatment factor. Okay, so this is three-way ANOVA. Okay, three-way ANOVA. Okay, and degree of freedom is m-1 like this. Okay, the formula is like this. So if the f calculated value is greater than f table value, okay, then it is significant. Okay, so if it is less than table value, less than or equal to table value, then it is non-significant. Okay, so in the step 9 we will go step 9 if the treatment effect is significant. Okay, so if the treatment effect is significant, then we will go for the step 9. Okay, that is LST test. Okay, the formula is like this. Okay, CD is equal to root of square root of 2 into EMS divided by m into t 0.025 at error degree of freedom. Okay, so CD means critical difference. Okay, so we will find CD critical difference if the treatment effect is significant. Okay, so if the treatment effect is not significant, then we will not go for CD. Okay, so if the treatment effect is significant, then we will go for CD. Okay, and last is conclusion. Okay, so these are the steps of analyzing LST design. Okay, analyzing steps in LST design.